Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how you can create your Google form. So let's get started. For Google form, you just need to open your Google Drive. You can open the directly Google form, but because the Google form is saved in Google Drive, so I'm just writing here, creating here. So you can see here plus new option. So just click on it and go to the more option. When you go to the more option, you can see here Google Forms. So you just click on it and just wait. That is basically your overlook of your Google form. So first of all, this is Untitled Form. So I have to write here my questionnaire title. That is, for example, this is my questionnaires research questionnaire. So this is basically my title to just show you how to write here. So this is my research questionnaire, that is my title, and when you click on it, then it automatically is convert into your research questionnaire. And for example, you have a little bit description of your questionnaire, then please write here. So you can write here from like this, like this. So basic things are ready. Now you have a different questions, like for example, I have a first question is like name. I'm just writing here because name is written in a short answer, so I have to click it from here like short answer. Okay, fine. Now how can, if this question is required for your respondent, then you must click on this option. Then the respondent will never go to the next question without answering this question. So if you add one more question, then please write here. For example, I have to write here course names, select courses. For example, if I have a multiple choice answer, so I am just writing here select course. This is a normal questions to show you how you can use the multiple choice option. So I'm writing here the multiple choice answer. For example, my course is English course, one course is English, second one, you just enter on it and you can see the next option. For example, you have a science course. For example, you have a Urdu course or might be different course. For example, you have a statistics course, and then you click on it right here. And if you want to see the person's answer there other than these answers, then you just click on this other. Okay, so if this is also required, then you just click on a required option. And then after this, and yeah, you can use the check boxes answers also for this if you want. So I'm just clicking here on it like this. Then you can see your answers are, your questions are now converted into check boxes. So there is a multiple other options I can show you. So for example, if you want to use the drop down menu option, then you just write here your question and write here options. And for example, you have a file upload option. For example, you have a questionnaire in which you want to need a respondent file, so you just click here file option and then continue and write here the requirements. For example, allow only specific file types. If you want only JPG file or different files, for example, if you want a PDF file only from your respondent, then you just click on it. Otherwise, or you need any specific, otherwise you just turn off it. And there's a maximum number of files you want. If you want to increase, then this way you can increase. Maximum file size you can increase in this way, and you just save it. All the changes saved automatically in your Google Drive. So next, move to the next question. Here is the next option. When you need a linear scale option like from 1 to 5 rating, or you want to multiple choice grid option, this is like way, or you need a checkboxes grid, then you can click on this option. Or you need a date in your answer. What is the birth date? If you write here birth date, then the customer write here their birth date. And the last one option is, if you want to write here the time of your birth, for example, if you have a question like this about the timing, so you can click on this with. These are the different options for choosing the So now moving toward these options, what are these options? So first one is plus sign, is basically adding a question like this way. You can add the question, okay? So this is import questions from another file. I am not showing it here directly because I don't have another form in this Google Drive. So if I have another form, then I'm just searching it here and then clicking on it, and I'm just importing that questions into my this form. And then you have a add title and description form. If you click on it, then you will see that you have a new title. You can add the new title in your form, like you have a headings in your paragraph, you have a headings in your questionnaire. So you just write here, for example, I'm just writing here, this is my heading 1 in my form. I'm just writing here for your learning. So for example, I'm just adding more questions in this heading 1. For example, name, like it's a choice up to you. If I want to add image, for example, in the next question, so I just add, let hope I have picture, anything of picture. If I'm finding here, I don't think so, I have more pictures. Okay, so this is a random picture which I am adding. So if you have for example, it's my makeup image, so I'm just writing here the title of this image, and then I'm just moving toward the add video option. So you just click on it and add the videos option, like the image, how I can add the image. And there's another option of 3 dots. If you want to left align your image, if you want to center line, right align, if you want to change or remove, you can use these options directly. Add section. Add sections means that you have a page and then you have a page of questions. So this is basically the above work of this section is your page 1 of your questionnaire, and then the section untitled, the second section is of your second page. So I'm just adding a question for your sake of, I'm just writing here section 2 for you, and just put it, this is my name, okay. And another option for you, just sake of your learning, date. Okay, so now I want to show you how I can, or you have another option in this form. You can add the image in this questionnaire form, in this your question you can add, or you can add in multiple choice option, you can add there an image. If you want to put an image in your option, then you can do it. And then there is 3 dots. If you want to write the description of this question, then you just click on it, okay. Then there is an option, if you want, I'm just moving toward later on, but this is the important shuffle option under. For example, If you want to shuffle this question options for the your respondent, for example, you are teacher and you want to change the questionnaire for each student, and you just shuffle the options because the students are mostly asked that that is the option of this question. Like for example, this is the option number 1 is your correct answer. So if the questions options are shuffling, then there's a might be lower chance to be a cheater. So this is a basic tip. And then there's a go to section based answer. I'm just moving here in a next video to show you in a detail. And there is the other things, like there is a background image, there is a background color, there is a this color, there is different things that you want to change. For example, I'm just showing you here this. I think so this is a prolonged video, but it's okay. So you just click on the customize theme and you will see that you are coming here. If you want a green color, then you just click on it. You will see that here is green color and the background is basically representing this green color. If you want to change the background colors are basically depends on your these colors. So for example, if I'm choosing here, choosing here, whatever you want to put it here. For example, I'm going to red. This is nicer color. If I'm going to here, you can choose whatever you want to do. There's only 4 font color, so if you want this way, I'm not recommending this because the people are not directly understanding this way. And if I'm going to the word the fine formal language, and if I'm going to playful language, then you can see that you will change the different things. And the next one option is, if you want a header image in your Google form, then you just click on choose image and upload it from computer, upload it from themes. There's a different themes. If for example I'm choosing here because this is a research question, so I'm just uploading here this question. So I'm just clicking on insert option, and then you will see that here is that image. Now if you want to see that how your questionnaire look like, so you can click on this I preview button, and then you just go, and here is, oh my god, this is my email. It's okay. So this is a research questionnaire, which is my title of my questionnaire. Please write here your description. If you have a description, then you write here your name, select courses. If this is the multiple choice answer, this is the checkboxes answer, so I'm just writing here. And there's another option. If you write here, for example, this is my Islamic subject course, so I'm just writing here. Or if you want to add file, then you just click on it, and you will see that there's an option of adding a file. Select from computers, birth date. I'm choosing here my date. For example, I have this date, and there's a time. If I'm choosing here my time, then I'm just writing here, and that is a random option. And then is a heading 1. As you know that I'm just adding a heading in my form, so this is my heading 1. If you want to write here any heading, then you can click on it and write here a name option. This is my image, and that is my page 1. Okay, fine. As you know that I am inserting a section 2, that is my page 2, so I'm next moving toward, because I'm just requiring, as I told you, that if you click on that button, then you must need to write here your name. So also this is a required option. The required questions denote with a strike. So I think so there is no other question, and then I'm moving toward the other questions. So this is a section 2 of the second page, and then if you are completing your questionnaire, then you just submit your questionnaire, and this is the whole video of the questionnaire, how you can create a Google form, a fully fully interesting Google form, like image, like headings, like different adding things, like different things. As you know that I'm just writing here this color, so that's why these sections are with this color. So hope so you like my video. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel. This will help me a lot, and it's give me a lot of motivation to give you new learning videos. So thank you so much for watching this video.